Do you want to know how you can sign in or sign up for Bing AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up or sign in for Bing AI. Go ahead and search for Bing AI on your browser and then click on the first link which says Microsoft Bing. You can see sign in option on the top right hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on it and you can see you can sign in using your personal or your work or school account, or you can go to my Bing profile badge and you can see your profile from here as well, or else click sign in with a personal account. Then you can write down your Microsoft account, click next and write down your password once again and click sign in. If your password is not correct, you cannot sign in to your account, so make sure your password is correct and click sign in. And you can also reset your password if you don't know the account password. And after that, click sign in, and then you can easily log into your Bing AI account and you can also sign up to your account this way. So guys, this is how you sign up or sign in to your Bing AI account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.